If you think Nerf battles are just for kids, you haven't seen how competitive things get in 2026. Backyard battles, indoor wars, team games, the right blaster makes a huge difference. Range, reload speed, drum capacity, accuracy, and comfort all matter. Whether you're playing casually with friends or going full competitive mode, these 5 Nerf blasters stand out for power, reliability, and pure fun. The Elite 2.0 Commander R-D6 is one of the best entry-level blasters that still feels powerful and reliable. It features a 6-dart rotating drum, which means quick follow-up shots without constant reloading. The pump action priming is smooth and easy to use, making it ideal for fast-paced battles. It's lightweight but feels solid in hand, and the tactical rail and attachment points allow for customization if you want to upgrade your setup. The range is strong enough for backyard battles, and the accuracy is consistent for a blaster in this category. It's a great choice for beginners or anyone who wants a dependable sidearm-style blaster. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use Nerf gun for fast action, check the link below and see if the Commander R-D6 fits your loadout. The Nerf Ultra One is built for range and high-capacity action. It features a massive 25-dart drum, allowing you to fire continuously without stopping to reload every few seconds. The motorized firing system makes rapid shots easy, and it feels powerful when you pull the trigger. Ultra darts are designed for longer range compared to standard elite darts, which gives you an advantage in open space battles. It's larger than most blasters, but that size translates to serious presence on the field. If you want high-capacity, long-range performance and don't mind carrying a larger blaster, check the link below and see if the Ultra One is your battle upgrade. The Nerf Fortnite SMG-E brings style and speed together. Inspired by the popular Fortnite design, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes it great for quick indoor matches. It uses a 6-dart clip and features motorized odd firing for rapid shots. The compact design makes it easier to move around corners and tight spaces compared to bulkier blasters. It's fun, fast, and feels aggressive in close-range battles. The aesthetics also make it stand out visually, especially for Fortnite fans. If you want a fast-firing, compact Nerf blaster with strong style and speed, check the link below and see if the SMG-E fits your playstyle. The N-Strike Elite Strongarm remains one of the most iconic Nerf revolver-style blasters. It features a 6-dart but rotating barrel and slam fire capability, meaning you can rapidly fire darts by holding the trigger and pumping quickly. The design is simple, reliable, and easy to use for all ages. It's compact enough to act as a great secondary blaster, but powerful enough to hold its own in smaller battles. The quick draw feel makes it fun for fast reactions and close-range duels. If you want a classic, reliable Nerf revolver that stood the test of time, check the link below and see if the Strongarm deserves a spot in your collection. The Nerf Disruptor. Elite Blaster is another dependable revolver-style option that focuses on simplicity and speed. It holds 6 darts and features smooth priming action, making it easy to fire quickly in high-pressure moments. The size makes it perfect for younger players or anyone who prefers lighter blasters. It's straightforward, reliable, and durable enough to handle frequent battles. While it doesn't have the large drum capacity of bigger models, its ease of use makes it ideal for quick matches and casual play. If you want a simple, affordable blaster that delivers consistent performance, check the link below and see if the Disruptor Elite is right for you. The best Nerf gun in 2026 depends on how you play. If you want compact speed, go lighter. If you want high capacity and range, go bigger. Whether you're battling indoors, outside, or building a full Nerf arsenal, these blasters deliver reliable performance and serious fun. If this breakdown helped you choose your next battle-ready blaster, subscribe for more honest gear reviews and check the links in the description for updated pricing before your next Nerf war.